Welcome back. Important development now in the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has refused to interfere with the order of the UP government asking shops and eateries along the Kanwar Yatra route to have QR codes so that the Yatris can ascertain who owns that particular establishment. Now, this is after the UP government, which was represented by Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, submitted that whatever is being done as per the Central FSSAI Act, which is applicable to all states. The Supreme Court has said that all eateries should display license and registration certificates. So this is being done in the interest of transparency. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, who will take us through the details of what exactly the Supreme Court said. Yes, over to you, Harish. The Supreme Court has refused to interfere in a petition that had been filed to do away with this entire QR code order that was issued by the UP government. What did the Supreme Court say?
Yes, that's right, Siddharth. The Supreme Court has refused to interfere with the order issued by the Uttar Pradesh government asking eateries along the Kavadiya route to display a QR barcode through which the name of the owner can be ascertained. At the same time, the Supreme Court said that all the eateries should also display prominently the license and the registration certificate in each shop and make it clear whether they are serving veg or non-veg food. That should be very prominently written in all the shops. Supreme Court said it is doing so to create a balance between right to livelihood and religious sentiments. As Supreme Court emphasized that the consumer should have the flexibility because consumer is the king. This is what Supreme Court said, and also the most key remark by the Supreme Court is for the benefit of the viewers. Let me read out. The Supreme Court bench said what we are proposing is sentiments should not be affected, livelihood should also not be affected. We need to strike a middle path.
All right.
There should
Many thanks for that. We'll of course come back to you for more updates on this. But for the time being, the Supreme Court refusing to interfere with the QR code order along the Kanwar route by the UP government.